Xiaomi Mijia Wireless Car Washer 2 review. Can it really replace your car wash?
Ever felt completely stuck hauling buckets, wrestling tangled hoses, or driving miles just to wash your car? You're not alone. Traditional car washing feels like a full workout. Heavy equipment, endless trips to the garage, zero freedom. It's exhausting, messy, and kills your weekend vibe. Drop a comment if this sounds painfully familiar. What's your biggest car washing frustration? Let's talk about it.
Now add time pressure, dirty car before that important meeting, grime building up for weeks, guilt about wasting water at commercial washes. The stress compounds. Your vehicle looks neglected, your schedule's crushed, and motivation tanks. Sound familiar? Here's the thing. Imagine if there was a way to reclaim control, wash anywhere, anytime, without adding chaos or draining your energy. Keep watching.
Enter the 2025 Xiaomi Mijia Wireless Car Washer 2, a total breakthrough that flips the script on portable cleaning. This isn't your average wireless washer. With a massive 160 liters per hour flow rate and 2.4 megapascals pressure, it delivers corded-level power without a single cable. Picture this. One apartment dweller dropped the hose into a simple bucket in his basement parking garage and washed his entire sedan in under 25 minutes. No outlet, no drama. The 5-in-1 multifunction nozzle rotates seamlessly from laser-focused jet stream for caked mud to gentle mist for delicate surfaces. The detachable 2000 mAh battery? USB-C rechargeable. Yes, the same cable charging your phone powers this beast. It's lightweight at just 1.2 kilograms, so your arm won't scream halfway through. The self-priming function sips water from buckets, lakes, even streams. Total freedom. Foam mode blankets your car in thick, clinging suds that loosen dirt like magic. Here's the bonus trick at the end. Use the shower mode for watering plants or rinsing sandy beach gear. Versatility meets power.
The efficiency gains are staggering. One professional detailing service owner said, "I couldn't believe how fast it changed my workflow. We now service parking garages and office complexes with zero power hunting." The 160 liters per hour flow means you're not standing there endlessly. Dirt blasts away, rinse cycles finish quickly, and water usage stays reasonable. A tech product reviewer noted the balance. Many wireless washers sacrifice power for convenience, but this delivers both. Real users rave about battery life, washing 2 full-size SUVs on one charge, or entire weekend camping trips without recharging. The automotive care specialist was clear. Pressure is more than adequate for road grime, mud, typical vehicle dirt. Build quality feels premium. But here's what really hooks people. The portability unlocks new possibilities. One outdoor enthusiast cleans RVs, bikes, patio furniture, even AC filters with one compact tool. An industry analyst highlighted the value. Strong price-to-performance ratio addresses real pain points like limited water access and lack of outlets. Which feature would save your day? The wireless freedom, the USB-C charging, or that 160 liters per hour power? Comment below and let's compare notes. See why thousands can't stop talking about the Mijia Wireless Car Washer 2.
Don't wait. This 2025 model is flying off shelves as thousands discover wash anywhere freedom. Join the wave of apartment dwellers, RV owners, and busy professionals who've already leveled up their cleaning game. Secure your Xiaomi Mijia Wireless Car Washer 2 today and feel the difference that 160 liters per hour of cordless power makes. Limited stock won't last. Click now and unlock the secret to effortless, on-the-go cleaning that transforms every wash from dreaded chore into quick, satisfying ritual. Your car and your sanity will thank you.